Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. Well, y'all already know. I meant to say, I made it to the picnic. Well, y'all can't see too good on this camera, though. I guess y'all, everybody out here with yellow shirts. Well, Bianca ain't gonna be here, so she's excused because she had to go to a funeral. You know, her auntie passed away. You know, so my condolences to her and her family. How y'all doing? All right. All right, so let's see who's out here. Look like Arrow. No, there ain't no Arrow. It's cloud out here. Wait a minute. I'm at the wrong place. I'm at the wrong spot. Looking for a picnic. This is a family reunion. I'm at the wrong damn spot. I don't see them wearing Philip picnic uniforms. I'm at the wrong damn spot. Oh, it's over here. Across these train tracks over here. I was at the wrong damn spot. Everybody on the train. Now I'm at the right spot. So over there's a family reunion. Over here is still a picnic. So we got it right. So we have it right over here. All right. Going to a family reunion I'm not even part of. All right. How y'all doing? So Bianca ain't gonna be here. Oh, look who's over here. We got Trella in the house. All right. We got Trella in Norwood right here. What's up? What's up, Trella?
What's my name? You better tell him.
It's Domino 17. That's what it is.
Domino 7.
Oh no, you
That's my new DJ name.
No. Yeah, I'm filming right now.
Why you always filming?
I'm recording.
Why you always filming?
Because it's my show. Problems, bro.
Why we can't watch it? You heard me?
You can watch it when you get home, brother.
From the party from last week on there?
Of course it is, with no title.
I'll get to it. Let me find it.
Yeah, whatever, homie.
What's my name? Tell him my name. 007.
It's 017.
Domino 7. Follow me on Instagram. Domino.
Get out of here. S-E-V. Oh, shut up, bro.
Watch out.
Oh, all right. Well, all right. We'll be right back at the. What you want to say?
Where Brandon at?
Oh, don't say his name on the show. It's recording. All right.
Domino, he ain't need no ride. He here.
Yo.
Local depending on niggas. He ain't.
Well, all right. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We'll be right back after these messages.